Trying to keep your business spending in order can get complicated fast. One minute you're sorting through digital receipts, the next you're double-checking who used the company card. Airwallex takes that frustration off your plate. It's a global financial platform built for modern businesses, and one of its best features is the ability to create and manage virtual cards in seconds. So let's walk you through how Airwallex Virtual Cards can help you track spending, stay organized, and take control of your finances effortlessly. When you use one card for everything, it becomes a nightmare to track. The Airwallex approach is to issue a dedicated virtual card for every single purpose. Once you're logged into your Airwallex dashboard, you'll navigate to the Cards section. From there, you just click New Card. The first choice you'll make is what kind of card, and you'll select Virtual Card. The next step is naming the card. You want to be specific. If an employee needs a card, you can issue it directly to them. You then set the currency for that card. You click Create, and instantly, you have a unique 16-digit card number, an expiry date, and a CVV. This whole process takes less than a minute, and you've already created a clear, traceable lane for a specific expense. As you're creating that card, you can set very specific spend limits. You can set a total limit, which is great for a specific project. Once that amount is spent, the card simply stops working. For recurring expenses like a monthly subscription or bill, you can set a recurring limit. You can also set daily or weekly limits if you need that level of control. And the best part is the flexibility. If you're running a free trial for a new tool and you have to put a card on file, you can issue a single-use virtual card, and once the transaction completes, the card details expires. The vendor can validate the card, but they can't charge it on an ongoing basis. With Airwallex, because all these virtual cards are part of your one account, every single transaction from every single card flows into one central dashboard. You can log in at any time and see a clean, itemized list of all expenses. You can filter this view by cardholder, by the card's name, by date, or by currency. At the end of the month, you're not digging through emails trying to figure out what a specific charge was for. You already know, because you already named the card. Airwallex doesn't just hold your transaction data, it's designed to automatically send it to your accounting software. It has direct integrations with major platforms like Xero, QuickBooks, and NetSuite. You just tell Airwallex that any transaction from the specific card you named should always be coded to the specific expense account in your accounting software. From that moment on, every time that card is used, the transaction is automatically synced to your accounting platform and categorized correctly, complete with the vendor name and the amount. It eliminates the hours and hours of manual data entry and reconciliation that teams typically spend trying to match statements to their books. And because that data is syncing automatically and appearing in your dashboard, you also get the benefit of real-time expense monitoring. You might notice that a particular subscription card was charged twice, and you can catch it immediately. Or you might see that one card you issued for a team trip is approaching its limit, and you can have a conversation before they get stuck. It's about having the data you need to make smart spending decisions right now, not 30 days from now. Airwallex allows you to give your team leads or even entire departments the ability to manage their own finances, but within the boundaries you set. You can issue a virtual card to the head of marketing and give her a monthly budget. She can then use that card for her team's needs without having to ask for permission for every single transaction. You can even set up approval workflows for larger purchases. This means an employee can request a new virtual card or a budget increase, and it just pings their manager for a simple approve or deny click. It eliminates the bottlenecks and empowers your team, all while keeping a clear line of financial oversight. When you use one physical card for all your online vendors, you are incredibly exposed. If even one of those vendors has a data breach, your company card number is leaked. With the Airwallex Virtual Card model, this risk is completely isolated. Since every vendor has its own unique card number, if one card is compromised, it has zero effect on anything else. Other assigned cards keep working perfectly. You simply log in, freeze or cancel the one compromised card, and issue a new one in its place. When someone leaves, you don't have to worry if they saved the company card details. You just find the cards assigned to them and delete them. It makes your company's financial operations far more resilient and secure. And a really common question at this point is, what does all this cost? For businesses in the US and Canada, you can have unlimited virtual cards even with Airwallex's free entry-level plan. For other markets, the entry-level plan often includes up to 10 free corporate cards. Since pricing and plans can be different depending on where your business is, your best bet is to check Airwallex's website directly for the most current pricing in your specific region. So, in summary, Airwallex Virtual Cards provide a serious upgrade for any business that wants to get a real handle on its spending. If you're ready to stop chasing receipts and want a smarter, more secure way to manage your budget, visit the Airwallex website to open an account and start issuing virtual cards today. You'll find the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.